was because I decided to step away and really, really deeply connect to myself again. It was never about how I'm feeling, what I want to do. Because my focus shifted, I started looking at the situation differently. When I came back to my lane that I'm closest to, everything started flowing again because I'm not thinking about this part of what I do. So it's a blessing that I was able to get so much of grace and learning through that phase.
यहाँ से चलते हैं अगली फोटो की तरफ. This is the Asia Cup, ladies and gentlemen. What was your first reaction? Just take me. हम भी सब खड़े थे, T20 format. You also said this is where you least expected, and then things are flowing. When did the 100 come into your head?
To be very honest, the ball before I got to the 100 is the time I felt like, oh, I'm on 94, I could probably get this. And the next ball went for 6. But the thing is that as soon as I got the 100, I laughed so hard. मैं इसके लिए रो रहा था 2 साल से. Like that just for this 2 seconds, I let myself go through that. That moment happened, it ended. Next day, the sun was up again. It wasn't going to be forever. It's not like वो 100 बना दिया, अब मैं pause कर दूंगा और मैं इसी moment को पूरी जिंदगी
Groundhog Day की तरह.
It was so funny. I laughed so hard. I was like, बस यही था.
But you laughed, I'm sure there must have been tears as well because you guys...
Not at that moment, but when I spoke to Anushka, yes.
Later.
It was.
Because I know, beyond the point, जब बंदा इस level पे पहुंच जाता है, milestones keep happening.
Yeah.
But जिस विराट कोहली ने सचिन तेंदुलकर को कंधों पे उठाया था 2nd April को और कहा था that we'll carry this forward. If you are to tell that Virat Kohli, maybe when you get to Paji's record or one ahead, उसके लिए तो बहुत मायने रखेगा. 49 one-day centuries. 2011 में तो नहीं ये सोचा होगा ना. I'm sure.
Chance ही नहीं है.
So if you have to tell him, I know Abhi will play it down. When this happens, you'll play it down.
It'll be a very emotional moment for me.
Yeah.
Because, again, people take for granted what has happened. Whether it's your journey from when you were a kid watching your idol play on TV, to playing with him, to seeing his retirement, to carrying on the responsibilities, to a point where I am today, and what you just mentioned. It is surreal. I mean, again, the focus can be, oh yaar, abhi itne match ho gaye. But I'm looking at exactly what you're saying.